Welcome to our podcast. Today we're diving into the topic of daily routines and how they impact our productivity and well-being.
That's right. So let's kick things off. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm good too. I woke up early today.
Really? What time did you wake up?
Around 5:30 in the morning.
Wow, that's early. I usually wake up around 7.
I'm trying to build a healthy routine.
That's a good idea. Morning routines are very helpful.
Yes, they help us stay productive during the day. So what did you do after waking up?
First, I brushed my teeth and freshened up.
That's the first thing everyone does.
After that, I drank a glass of water.
That's actually very healthy.
Yes, I read that drinking water in the morning is good. Then what did you do?
I went for a short walk.
Oh, nice. Where did you go?
I walked around my neighborhood park.
Parks are perfect for morning walks.
Yes, the air is fresh and the environment is calm. Did you see many people there?
Yes, quite a few people were exercising.
Morning exercise is very popular nowadays.
True. Many people care about their health now. That's a good trend.
After my walk, I came back home.
And then?
Then I took a shower.
That must have made you feel fresh.
Yes, I felt very energetic afterward. Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I did. What did you eat?
I had dosa with coconut chutney.
That sounds delicious.
It was really good. I also love dosa.
What did you have for breakfast today?
I had idli with sambar.
That's another classic breakfast.
Yes, it's simple and healthy. Do you cook your breakfast yourself?
Sometimes I cook. Sometimes my mother cooks.
Cooking is a useful skill.
Yes, everyone should learn basic cooking.
I'm still learning.
What dishes can you cook?
I can make omelet and simple noodles.
That's a good start. I want to learn more recipes.
You can learn from YouTube.
Yes, there are many cooking channels online. Technology makes learning easier.
That's true. What did you do after breakfast?
I spent some time on my computer.
What were you doing on the computer?
I was learning some new skills.
That's great. I like learning new things every day.
What kind of skills are you learning?
Mostly computer skills and English communication.
English practice is very important.
Yes, especially for jobs.
Do you practice speaking every day?
I try to speak at least 30 minutes daily.
That's a good habit. I also watch English videos.
Do you watch with subtitles?
Yes. Subtitles help me understand better.
That's true. Do you practice English daily too?
Yes. I try to read and speak in English every day.
Reading helps improve vocabulary.
Exactly. What do you usually read?
Sometimes articles, sometimes short stories.
That sounds interesting. Reading makes learning fun.
I agree. So to wrap up today's discussion, it's clear that having a morning routine can set a positive tone for the rest of the day.
Absolutely. Whether it's waking up early, drinking water, or spending some time on learning, These small habits can make a big difference.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope you found some inspiration for your own daily routines.
Join us next time as we explore more tips for a productive lifestyle.